The motion is concerned from your lordship.
I'm trying to touch. I do not know whether. Yes, Mr. Bhattacharyya.
This is the Durga Puja. The Durga Puja has been here for the last 50 years. Make a record. They decided to build up a Durga Pratima of 112 feet. Break the record.
Who will make?
These organizers, they will build up a Pratima to the height of 112 feet.
No, you are not for the organizer.
I am for the organizers. Intimated to the UNESCO, intimated to the Milord, the Google authorities, the Guinness Book of Record, everything is done. Structure is complete. Now, just a few days back, Milord, this might complain that the Honorable Chief Minister in a meeting said, I have come to learn that there is going to be a puja, which is going to break the record, should not be allowed to be held.
But I object to that.
I say,
I object to that. Yes.
I welcome his objection.
No, place your case, but don't take the name of the chairman.
I have
Banerjee will be making your submission.
This is the averment. Thereafter, Milord, the police goes to the spot. Milord stops us from doing anything. I'll show the photography of the police. Kindly comes to Milord, page 53. Page 53. The police, Milord, is in front of the structure, preventing my persons to, Milord, carry on with the pandal. I can show you the better copies. These are your second. But everything is done, and what prevents the police and other authorities to stop the puja?
So did you obtain the permission? Because permission is necessary for holding this. For holding this from the authorities, we have to take permission.
But since this is not a new puja, I tell you.
Yes.
This is a puja.
Every year it is to be renewed. Permission is to be renewed.
We have got, Milord, the sanction of the electricity authorities, paid the money. Kindly come to Milord, page.
No, what is the procedure which is being practiced
We have
every year?
We have
You have to obtain the fire as well as other.
we have obtained everything.
Then you have to obtain a permission from the local administration.
Milord, they always allow me to carry on, no problem. Milord,
So did you obtain that permission from this year?
Milord, I have intimated them, no refusal.
Where is that? Where is the intimation?
Kindly come to page 26. Milord, it is in the month of January. In application for asking Durga Puja permission, a humble
No,
submission.
not January. It's September.
Sorry,
not
sorry,
September.
Inform we are going to celebrate our Durga Puja like as
This
before.
letter was on 3rd of
3rd
September.
of September. That's
Yes.
Our
So
puja is
you,
going to.
you applied for permission.
Yes.
No reply.
No reply, no refusal. I went on, Milord, with the structure. Kindly see the, Milord, the structure which has come up.
Yes, Mr. Banerjee. What is the fate of this application?
And what is the basic reason for objection? I want to know it from the state.
What is the fate? This application was made on 3rd of September 2024. So what is the procedure for holding this?
Procedure is the blood. So far as the blood, the height of the idol.
No.
No, height of idol.
That is
No, they said.
no. The organizers have to apply for
Apply.
permission.
Yes.
Along with what? What are the documents? What are the clearances?
Yes.
What are required?
That's
What is the clearances?
This is the report. Everything blood we have stated in the report. Fire license and everything.
No. So what is your objection?
No objection, my lord.
They do not have any of the requisite permissions from other authorities.
No, not only that. Not only that. It's a blood road of 14 feet. Safety security, blood, your lordship knows very well.
No, but
the
one thing, safety security,
2015, my lord, kindly allow me. 2015, the blood, the Desoprio Park, the stamp and blood, I have taken that report also. Blood, ultimately, on Sosti, blood, the entire.
no, you have refused permission.
Not.
Where is that?
No, blood, refusal, blood.
Mr. Banerjee, when an application has been filed,
my lord.
they are required to take permission from a competent authority.
My lord.
Along with maybe A,
So
B,
far as
C
the blood,
clearances from different authorities, they have to apply before
my
you.
lord.
This is a document which Mr. Bhattacharyya refers to that they have applied.
Yes.
And this bears, did you receive this application?
But I do not know. I don't have any instructions.
No, that they have received, that is also
Any document to show that?
page 44. Page 44.
Page 44.
Yes, Milord.
Service.
Yes, service.
Service.
Yes.
Service.
All right. So,
Whether
Mr.
is it a-
Banerjee, what is your instruction on this page 26? Permission. If you have refused, kindly intimate them the reasons for refusal.
My lord.
That I
They are
can tell you.
entitled to know why their permission,
My lord.
why
my
their
lord, my lord.
permission prayer has
I'm
been
not-
refused or
Whether,
allowed.
whether this has been received or not, kindly ask them to make a fresh application.
Why fresh application,
But
Mr. Banerjee?
whether-
Mr. Banerjee, you can take
Yes, it will not be
instructions.
direct.
Mr. Bhattacharyya is saying the document is at page 44.
My lord.
So kindly take instructions.
We
Whether
have take, kindly come to page 50. The electricity board has given us the permission, we have paid everything.
no.
Like
Not
that.
electricity.
That is from the other authorities.
No.
So ultimate
But
permission is to be given
Safety
by
and
the
security of the people.
Mr. Banerjee has come out with those little less voice. that they apprehend stampede.
Yes, that's right.
That is the submission from the bar.
Yes.
So there is
Not
nothing.
submission from the bar. Lord, it's on instruction, Lord, I'm saying.
No. Mr. Banerjee, did you intimate them
My,
the reasons
my Lord.
that for A, B,
Because
C reasons,
already one
I
instance.
have
Yeah.
refused your permission. You are not entitled for reason A, B, C. Where is that?
My Lord, kindly, Lord.
Tomorrow?
No, Lord, your Lordship, kindly dispose it. I shall consider it and take a decision.
No
Then-
disposal, no disposal.
So then
Let them come out with the
today
report.
we are 25th, 27th. Take a decision. Come back on 27th.
Now, Lord, if it is, Lord,
Mr. Banerjee, yes or no permission, whether you grant or refuse,
My-
they are entitled to know.
My Lord.
And if you take any steps, they are entitled to challenge. If it is
My-
in their
my-
favor,
my-
they can act
my-
on that. They are entitled to
My Lord.
challenge.
My Lord.
So now
Lord, they are
the
just
only few days left before the
Yes.
puja vacation. So you have,
halfway construction, my Lord.
yes, so you have instructions with you, nothing communicated. So reasons are with you. Communicate them the reasons.
Now, Lord,
My
only I tell you, Mr. Raj will agree with me, Lord, they are apprehending stampede. That is the ground.
No,
Let them
not only
communicate,
that,
Mr.
not only
That,
that.
that
No,
they
no, no.
communicate with Lord, non-official.
How my landed senior friends know.
Yes, they have
Then
told
Lord,
us.
on
I'm
one
keeping
hand,
it-
he say,
Mr.
we are not
Banerjee, I'm
informed.
keeping it on 27th. So
They have Lord, told us verbally.
27th, you can communicate your decision before that to the petitioner.
27th, but today is 25th.
20
Kalki
yes.
hai.
Tomorrow you are getting the entire day. According to you, you have instructions. You are saying stampede occurred in 2015 in Deshopriyo Park.
Yes.
This is a road of 14 feet.
Yes, everything is with him.
So everything is with you, available with you. So it must be, you are making submissions on the basis of the instructions of the authorities.
My Lord.
So they must be aware of this. So
Let it
let
be
them
tomorrow.
communicate the reasons by tomorrow. I'm keeping it on 27th.
My Lord.
Instead of 27th, will it be on Tuesday? First,
Mr. Tuesday,
No, Lord, then we are.
1st of October, Mr. Banerjee, we are closing on 8th.
Well,
Kindly
well-
consider that. If they are allowed, then they have to make the necessary, the other things, they have to complete those. If not, they are entitled to take steps in accordance
No,
with
Lord,
law.
kindly Lord, visualize this will be Lord, an international slur. UNESCO has prepared their team. They say we are sending team to examine your claim. Now I have to complete everything. Lord,
That is why. So they have to, if they are allowed,
all
they
the
have to
submission
conclude.
from the
If
bar.
not,
Petition report না।
Yeah, পড়েছি।
Petition না পড়ে কথা বলছি।
পড়েছি,
হ্যাঁ।
পড়েছি।
আসুন,
আপনাকে
আসুন।
কেউ বলেনি যে আমরা যাচ্ছি।
আহ,
কেউ বলেনি যে আমরা যাচ্ছি।
এটা তো বোধহয়
And Lord, kindly Lord, direct to consider
so this is
independently.
relating to Justice Bharat's
question of-
determination.
Yes,
This is relating to Justice Bharat's. So I'm posting it 27th before the regular bench.
But if it is development sits, otherwise also can take it up. Lord.
So, Bhattacharya,
Pilot
the difficulty is determination is only for today.
Yes.
So no, I cannot take it up.
Now,
This.
if the determination continues, Lordship kindly.
If the continues, I'm directing before the regular bench. If that determination continues, it will come. Otherwise,
না, পাঠার আমি বলতে পারি না।
no. This matter was mentioned
তাহলে
today
এখানে
at
হবে,
the first sitting of the court.
যদি ভরতদাস না
citing-
বসে এখানে হবে।
Grave urgency. Mr. Considering the prayer for urgency, this matter was directed to appear in the supplementary list, and the learned advocate for the petitioner was also directed to serve notice upon the learned advocate appearing for the state. Mr. Accordingly, this matter has been
Continue
taken
করো,
up.
তো কথা দিচ্ছি।
This matter has been taken up. Full stop. Mr. Bhattacharya, learned senior counsel, representing the petitioner, submits that the petitioner organize, you are the organization or,
You are the organizer.
but no, it's
Secretary of the Milord Organizing Committee.
submits that the petitioner is the secretary of the organizing committee, which is performing Durga Puja every year
For last
for
50
the
years.
last
50 years.
50 years. 50.
55.
55 for the last 55 years. Full stop. He further submits that as per the procedure, the petitioner has obtained requisite permission from the
Applied for.
no electricity and other things
Electricity granted.
applied for obtained
But
obtained requisite
kindly
permission.
record, Lord, in this year, then the feet, the idol fees is 112.
সেটা তো
Kindly,
দ্যাট ইজ রেকর্ড
Uh,
তো আমরা চাই। তোকে বসিয়ে দেবো কমেন্ট শিটে।
কি হলো কেটে গেল permission from different authorities, namely the electricity authorities, fire department, etc.
And other competent authorities, your lordship kindly required. Your lordship kindly record that.
Whatever
Further
required, we shall get
submits
it if necessary.
that thereafter the petitioner applied before the district magistrate Noida district by by letter dated 3rd of September 2024, requesting the said authority to grant permission in favor of the petitioner to perform the Durga Puja this year. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr. Banerjee, learned advocate appearing for the state, submits that the height of the idol which the petitioner is contemplating for performing the Durga Puja this year is in excess of the permissible limit.
112 feet.
No,
So,
But
he submits
yes,
that the authority, while according the permission, has to take into consideration several factors,
Safety and
including
security of the
the safety, security, width of the road, etc., while granting permission, while granting or / refusing such permission. Full stop. On a query of the court as to whether any communication with any decision with regard to the prayer made by the petitioner for grant of permission by letter dated 3rd of September 2024 has been made, Mr. Banerjee seeks time to take instruction in this regard. Full stop. Since the application was submitted, Mr. Bhattacharyya, learned senior counsel, submits that there are documents to show that the said application has been duly received by the office of the district magistrate. Full stop.
But only record one thing, my lord, that the puja will be held in an open field, not on a street. Open field.
But the approach,
On an open field.
open field, but not by air, but on
Mr.
through road.
All right. When is the scheduled opening of the? There will be some opening, or
Mohammed Adil.
so
Second,
you said UNESCO and other authorities will come. They will come during the pujas.
yes.
When? What is the date?
My lord, they have not given a fixed date.
From 8th or 9th. 8th, the puja will start from 8th.
8, let it be or no.
Considering the fact that the Durga Puja will be performed on and from October 8, 2024. This court directs the district magistrate Noida district to communicate the decision,
And will communicate.
to communicate the decision with regard to the prayer made by the petitioner for permission to hold Durga Puja.
By
That
tomorrow.
is the area you have not specified in the application, nothing.
Yes, yes.
Where is that?
Permission.
You are kindly come to page.
Page,
I have given a my lord site plan, page 25.
page 25.
The site plan is at page
Site
25.
plan is very vague, Mr. Bhattacharyya.
No, my lord, we have said what the
Nothing,
entry,
nothing mentioned, plot number, nothing.
Oh. my lord, that is mentioned in the connecting
What is
application.
this sketch map? Vague, absolutely vague.
Because but this vagueness, because the authority will have said carry on, no problem. But the problem came only after
But
the
the
honorable
difficulty
chief.
is that I cannot refer to this paper.
But I say you deny this if possible.
Every respect to my understanding, but don't take the name of the
Banerjee, don't quarrel inside the.
Why?
Please.
Why? Each and every matters not now they are adopting the names of the government, names of the
Because chief minister is not a name in the office.
Banerjee, you are aging.
I'm 18. He also crossed my age.
No, my lord,
Kindly consider.
kindly come to page 27.
27, yes.
স্ট্রাকচারের
You want to politicize.
স্ট্রাকচারের সাথে দাঁড় করানো হবে সেটি মোট 40 বিঘা ক্লাব
No, where is the plot number? Any specification? Where nothing has been mentioned anywhere.
না না
Absolutely
প্লট
vague.
নাম্বার বলছে প্লট
আচ্ছা, কি বললাম? কি বলে-
একটু বাড়ি কথা বল Lord,
And
we
that
have
is
also
not
given
going
me
to
Lord
Give me a minute, give me a minute, otherwise the order. Mr. Bhattacharyya, kindly give me a minute.
Lord, you have said it is Lord on 40 বিঘা
Or with regard to
upon
the prayer
40 বিঘা
for
land. And
This
you
year.
have also said that
this
the
year. Full stop.
visitors will be allowed to stay 120 feet away.
It will be open to the said authority to call upon the petitioner, if the authority, the authority finds it necessary for the purpose of ascertaining the exact location where
Yes.
the
No,
puja
but the
will be
police is there. Kindly see the photograph. Lordship need not be troubled.
photographed, the exact location.
No, the location where will the
You kindly go there. If they want, they will inform you.
But they will not, because they are under the pressure from the hierarchy. I have made a very categorical statement.
Let them,
Kindly
let
record
them
the submission and
let
allow
them
me to
communicate the
file
district
affidavit.
level.
Kindly see the photograph. The
Allow me
police,
to file affidavit.
the police should be
And what authority is saying?
কি বললাম?
paragraph 15 by
Perform and the pandal to be erected.
Pandal is already under erection process. They should not stop us from doing that.
বললাম, the
all religious leaders সেখানে প্রেজেন্ট ছিল সেই অবস্থায় বলেছেন
আরে যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এক কথা বলে পরে কথা বলিনি সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আছে কথা।
সেই মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কাজ করছে দেশে। আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কি করে গেছে সেটা দেখুন।
full stop. The such decision is to be communicated to the petitioner
না না ওর সাথে ঝগড়া but
by
tomorrow
5 p.m.
5 p.m. kindly let it be by 3 p.m. tomorrow.
By 3 p.m. Can you do that?
5 p.m. is right.
Let it be 5 p.m. I'm posting it on 27.
5 p.m. they will say office. There was no employee to do this. But we are.
I've said by.
Bye.
By.
By
So
only
if they say
make
it
it
is
four.
closed,
Only
Make it
blood,
four.
your lordship,
Make it
kindly
the
record.
Banerjee,
No,
4 p.m.
No.
4 p.m. How long your office is open? 4 p.m.
But only blood, kindly record.
List this matter on 27th of September 2024 before the regular bench, subject to the convenience of his lordship.
My lord,
Only one.
The convenience of the
Milord,
I will be-
kindly allow me, Milord. Page 25, the sketch map, they are annexed. They have annexed here. Lordship, kindly see the road shows below 24 feet.
communicate হচ্ছে 26 তারিখ কালকে
তারাও
কালকে 26 তারিখ কমিউনিকেট করবে টু দা পিটিশনার টুমরো যেটা হ্যাঁ টুমরোটা বলেনি সেটা টুমরো বলে ব্র্যাকেটের ডেটটা দিয়ে দেবেন কালকে আর লিস্ট দিস ম্যাটার অন 27
Only Milord and
But
kindly hear me.
আমি তো বলিনি দাদা